security threat in the Indian Ocean out at sea has gone up, and the steps what we have taken, the most important step what Indian Navy has taken is to strengthen our maritime domain awareness. Now, our whole focus has been on maritime domain awareness in our entire area of interest. And entire Indian Ocean region falls in our area of interest, primary. So 24/7, long reach capability is with our PATI. We have 8 of them. We are getting 4 more. And additionally, we are expecting 4 more to join us. They become backbone of our surveillance in the maritime domain. Recently, you must have heard that we have taken one HALE UAV, that is MQ-9 Predator Reaper from USA on lease. Now, this also helps us to maintain maritime domain awareness out at sea. It has got endurance more than 32 to 33 hours. It can maintain surveillance of Sunda. Sunda is almost 2,000 nautical miles from Visakhapatnam for many hours. So when we have got HALE UAV, straight away, it's a game changer. We have got our Dornier aircraft. We have placed orders for another 8 to 16 of them on HAL, and we are going to have ALH helicopters. They all are going to be used for maritime domain awareness closer to the coast.